Okay, we're going to do page 221 out of your workbook with the rip out pages if this is printed, or you guys can just get a blank piece of paper and write it down and make sure your parents send it to Miss Ba in a picture or in the comments below. All right, let's read this part together. Ready? A photograph or an illustration is a picture that gives information about a nonfiction text. Look at photographs and illustrations to find facts and details. So we're going to look at this illustration right here, and we're going to circle the sentence that tells about the illustration, tells a detail. So are these people, do they sit in the shade or do they put on coats? You guys see they have an umbrella, right? So an umbrella would give you shade. So you're going to circle they sit in the shade. So now you have to write a sentence that tells another detail about the illustration. So let's look closer. Maybe you would write, they are eating grapes at the beach, or they are relaxing at the beach, or they are in their swimming suits at the beach. Okay, so on the bottom, you guys are going to write another sentence that tells a detail about this illustration. We're going to read this nonfiction text called Sorting Fruit. And our question is, how can we sort things? So this genre is nonfiction, so that means it's going to be about real people, real places, real objects, and photographs. Okay, you guys ready to read with me? Look at the different kinds of fruit. How can you sort them? You can sort by color. Which fruit is yellow? Which fruits are green? Which fruit is brown and green? You can sort by shape. Which fruits are round? You can sort by how a fruit feels. Which fruits feel smooth? Which fruits feel sharp? Okay, so what would an apple feel like? An apple would feel smooth. Is it round? What color is this apple? It's green. What about grapes? Super smooth, right? But their stems aren't. Their stems are nice and rough, right? What about a pineapple? Is a pineapple rough and bumpy? Kind of sharp right here on the ends of the leaves, right? And a banana's long, smooth, not bumpy. Okay, so we can sort all kinds of fruit. Oranges, they kind of have a little bit of a bumpy texture, don't they? Not super smooth. What about strawberries? Do strawberries feel kind of bumpy from all the seeds? Yeah. Okay, we're going to do page 545 and 546. This is an optional page on the Dropbox or in the math workbook. This is a homework page, but I thought it'd be good for extra practice for reading bar graphs. So it says, the bars on a bar graph tell how many. Look where each bar graph ends and read the number. So which shape has the most votes? So if you guys look right here and you go down, this square has 8, so the square has the most votes. Okay, you guys, this animal is called a snowshoe hare. And look at how its fur changes color. So let's read about the snowshoe hare really fast. People and animals use color to stay safe. Snowshoe hares have fur that is brown in the summer and white in the winter. Can you think of ways people use color when they are outside? So I know when it's really hot in the summertime, Mrs. Ba likes not to wear black. Like the color black just attracts the sun. So in the summertime, I like to wear light colored clothes if I can. Like a white shirt would be much cooler than wearing a black shirt. And in the wintertime, if I wear dark colors, it'll attract the sun and it keeps me warm. So what other animals use their fur or scales to help protect them? Like, think about a chameleon. Does a chameleon change colors? Can that help protect it from predators? Right? So it's going to be harder to see this snowshoe hare because it's white in the winter. It's blending, it's camouflaged with that snow. And then in summer, if this was white, it would stick out. But look at, since the snow is melted, the snowshoe hare is more camouflaged now with the natural colors of summer, right? So animals can use their color to help stay safe in their environments as well.